Final adjustment to timing sequences of the master control system. Main engine check. Rotor drive unit. Linear accelerator module. Crystal absorption unit. Vector thrust module. Retroactivity. Readjustment recommended.
Welcome.
Messenger module computer type. Dream sequence.
Hello everybody, I'm the Spaceman, and I landed in your area one more time around, and it's about 3:45 late afternoon here, and I have a small package I received. I'm smoking a San Latano AJ Fernandez San Latano cigar. Very good with this coffee. The coffee I'm drinking is Lavazza Super Crema medium roast, and it's whole bean, so I ground this in my burr grinder. It's pretty good stuff. Use some froth cream in it. So this is just a package opening, that's all. And this is a Zippo lighter. What else, right? Been getting Zippo lighters lately. This is a special lighter to me. It's a nice one, and I'm buying this because on May 18th I'm celebrating 10 years doing pipe and tobacco videos, or pipe, tobacco, and cigar videos on my channel, and this is the lighter I bought in commemoration of that. It's a lighter I wanted anyway, and you can see why I wanted it. It's a beautiful Venetian type style lighter, pipe lighter, and also what came with this was, take the sticker off, the infamous orange Zippo sticker. Which I'm going to put on my wall over here. So what they did for me was engrave my name on the back, and it came with the price of the lighter. Spaceman ASF, my initials, ASF. Nice gold pipe lighter insert. So and that's it. Beautiful lighter, huh? Nice. Put it back in the box for now. Be using it soon to do a pipe video with, and you will see that. This coffee is really good, and it's the first time I've made coffee in my French press in quite a while, so I'm kind of enjoying that. So I'm going to put this right up here with my alien lighter that I got last time. And that's it. That's all this video is. Just a 3-minute, 4-minute video. And there's really not much else to say, except for the fact that I went to Plant City yesterday and got a pizza from one of my favorite places there, Nick's Pizza and Wings. Great place. Great place to buy a pizza. Anyway, I will check all you out in the next video next time around. Take it easy.